Tani mga lods, 1,000 Hornet. Yusa niyo eh.
The club president, please proceed to the entrance of Columbus
Idol Lloyd Custom.
Center as we get
Hornet 1,000.
4 hours.
21. Helmet mo, sir.
Okay.
Baka na muna, mauna ka na, sir. Assessment muna.
1,000. Right. Right, keep safe.
Tinta mo lang yan, sir. Tinta mo lang. Yes, saan mo mapupuntahin yung mga big bike ka, ha? Ako na assessment, ha?
Bawal. Ayos
Okay, balik mo muna. Assessment muna, assessment.
Alright, mga Kalongan riders, welcome again and thank you so much for being here today. Bisag init kaayo. We are about to start some of our games. So please settle down. Sa itong mga guwapong mga himsong na mga Honda riders, di ba kuya at si kuya? Please settle down as we are about to start. Okay, so now our players ready? Ready na? Awajin ko kayo mo. Ready na kuya? We got the energy. Okay.
Oh yeah! Hornet 1,000.
Nagpa-post na ka sa Facebook, kuya?